Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a natural hair video for you guys. I will be showing you how I achieve this nice, big and tall, sleek top bun. So if you guys are interested in this video, please keep on watching. Starting off with day 4, day 5, wash and go hair. This is what my hair is looking like. So we're gonna start off by taking a pick and just picking out our hair in an upward direction, kind of similar to when you're just fluffing your hair out to get a nice huge puff in the top of your head. You want to pick that hair forward, and then your hair will look similar to this. And so I'm using Aunt Jackie's Soft All Over multi-purpose oil to add some shine and some sheen back to my hair. Since it is day 4, day 5 hair and it's kind of getting dry, I'm just using the praying hands method and then just raking that through my hair and also fluffing it towards the top during that process. Next, I'm loosely putting a hairband on my hair and grabbing my spray bottle and just spraying some water around the perimeter of my hair. This is how you're going to make your hair a little bit more manageable when it comes to laying that hair down. So the gel that we're using today is Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink gel, and this gel is really good because it kind of reactivates the curls, and I'm also adding a little bit more of that multi-purpose oil to add some sheen around the base of the head. And so I'm using this hard bristle brush to brush my hair down. As you can see, this is giving me a nice sleek look. So I'm going to keep brushing this through so I can make sure the gel is evenly dispersed through my hair. And now onto the edges, we are taking the Aunt Jackie's TAME My Edges Smoothing Gel. And this lays my edges right down every time. So I'm using this. And then again, just making sure we're brushing that hair. You want to make sure you grab all the ends of your edges, everything, and brush that into a nice sleek top ponytail. Here I'm taking a headband that I just looped around twice, and I'm gonna be putting my hair into a nice big ponytail at the top, but I am doing this very tightly. So I wrap this hairband around about 4 times because you want it to be secured to maintain the sleek look around the base of the head. So you can stop here, but I wanted to do a big tall bun, so I'm just like fluffing out my hair, making sure I touch up any of the edges that I accidentally messed up by putting my hair in the ponytail. And then we're just gonna kind of play around and fluff up the top until you kind of get it in the shape that you want your bun to be in. And then I am taking another hairband like the one I used and just loosely wrapping it around the bun to catch the ends. So this is basically how you build your tall bun. And then once you do that, you want to tuck in any other pieces, and that is pretty much it. Alright guys, so that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a huge thumbs up and comment in the comment section below. Drop a red heart if you like this hair tutorial and you're interested in more natural hair videos. Also, if you've watched thus far and you are not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and follow me on Instagram at Reshae. I love you guys so much. And guys, never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tiffle. Bye guys.